Hello my friends and welcome back. In this video we're going to make a quick recap about the MVVM layers and we'll see the steps we're going to follow to build our amazing app. MVVM, which stands for Model-View-ViewModel, is an architectural design pattern commonly used in Android app development. It's designed to help developers separate concerns and improve the maintainability and testability of their codes. Here's a brief explanation of each component in the MVVM architecture. The first component and the first layer is the model. The model represents the data and business logic of the application. It encapsulates the data and provides methods to interact with the data, such as retrieving, storing, or manipulating it. In Android, this can include data sources like databases, APIs, and other backend services. The view. The viewer is responsible for the user interface and the presentation of the data. It includes XML layout files, activities, fragments, and UI elements like buttons, text views, and widgets. In MVVM, the view observes changes in the view model and updates the UI accordingly. View model. The view model acts as a bridge between the model and the view. It holds the UI related data and business logic, but doesn't have direct references to the view. It exposes data and commands that the view can bind to, and it responds to user interactions by updating the model or providing data to the view. View models are designed to be easily testable and can help in managing UI state and logic. Let's start with the model. We're going to use the remote data source in our application. So we're going to build a database, create our own API, and from this API, we're going to fetch the JSON response and using the retrofit, updating the UI, and designing the app following this MVVM layer. So the first step, we're going to create our local database using MySQL. Then we're going to create our own API and using PHP. Fetch the JSON response from database using this API. Using Retrofit to create Java objects. Display questions in Android app and follow the MVVM architecture. So let's see the steps in more details. First of all, we'll create our own API that fetches the data from our own database and also will create in MySQL. Then we're going to fetch the data and the response in a JSON format. And using Retrofit, we're going to transform this JSON response to plain old Java objects. And these objects will be displayed in the app UI. This is our mission. So I want from you to focus with me because it's a very important application we're going to build together.